Alright, this is Mike with 50 Farming and stuff back with y'all. As y'all can see, I've already harvested some of the potatoes that I've grown. But you can see they're starting to turn. These are the ones that grew in leaves. We're going to try to get some of these on video. I'll try to hold the phone and see how these turn out, show you what this actually did. So, anyway. Alright, if the phone's shaky, I'm sorry. I'll do the best I can one-handed pulling potatoes. Anyway, here we go. Let's see what this does. Alright, grab me a... Well, there's the seed potato. And there's one. It's not a bad red potato. Good with that. Not real dirty either. And there's another white one. I kind of mix everything up. There's some of the white ones. There's some more. Pretty easy to dig out of the ground because they're not in the dirt. It's a good eating size. Yeah, the ground's all still good and wet and moist. I'm gonna come back and plant some sweet potatoes in here too. Let's try this one over here, see if there's any more better yield. Oh, you see right there. See right there. Let's see. Pull the big red one out there. It's not too bad. I think they did a little bit better last year. I don't know what I did different, but I'm still learning. Pull this one. Oh, there we go. It's not a bad little harvest. For some reason, I guess the Idaho potatoes are doing better this year for some reason. I don't know why. Got a little bit more rain than we normally have. Of course, there's the seed potato. Do that right there. That'd be a good one. Some boiled up with some butter on it. Sometimes you gotta dig around too. You never know what you might miss. Yeah. All right, let's do that one. Oh, there we go. I have to dig hard. Almost missed that one. But anyway, that's what they're doing. Slowly but surely, they're coming together. Let's see what this one. There's any more of a yield. Ooh, there's a bunch of white ones there. Dig around what was. There's a good one there. Oh, there's a bunch of them down there. Let's see. Let's dig them all up. I want to dig them all up. Oops, sorry. Sucks getting on my knees are hurting. I'll have to put on a rock. Almost missed that one. The good thing is if you miss them, they sprout back up and we can find out where they're at. There's a big one right there. So yeah, it's not bad. I'm still learning just like everybody else is on this stuff, doing this stuff. There's another one. Oh, more. You gotta dig around for them. But it's not like digging in the dirt. little bit easier. You can see how the ground's all wet. It's still good and moist. So, but anyway, that's what I've been doing. This is the potatoes that I planted the first of the year. Y'all saw me plant them. Put the video up. There's a big one. If I'm not mistaken, I got these. These are store-bought organic potatoes from Walmart that had done chitted on the shelf, and I planted them. So there's a good eating size on there. It's a bite size one. Ooh, there's a bunch of them right there. Let's pull that. Let's pull this. Oop, something else got to eat too. Hiding down there. See how easy they come up. That's a seed potato. Dig a hole and let it go. Ooh, that's a big one there. Skeeters. Some nice ones there. Alright. That one did good. Ooh. What's this? See, there's the seed potato. And here's the harvest off that one. This one did really good. Anyway, all right. That's what I've pulled in just the last, I guess, 7 minutes of it on the phone, on the video with y'all. So it's not too bad. Like I said, I'm still learning. Still got that much stuff to do over there. And I got that patch back there to do. So, anyway, I'm in the video. If you like, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, leave me a comment. Tell me what I can do better. I know I don't have the best phone in the world. Anyway, just to give you a look see at the garden. Let me do that while I'm here. Kind of update on our garden. It's starting to pop real good. So, got some peas planted on the fence line right there. But anyway, I'll end the video, show you again what I've already dug up. That's what I've already dug up. It was raining last week. I couldn't record, so. But that's what I've already harvested out of the patch so far. Alright, I'm in the video. If y'all like it, thumbs up. Give me a comment. If you don't, thumbs down. I appreciate it. Later.